Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. The Lord said, Brisbane, Australia. There will be coming tornadoes to struck your place. And I want you to be prepared. And I want you to pray. Call unto me and I'll answer you, and I will deliver you, and I will give you safety. There will be 3 tornadoes to attack in your place. There will be floods in your places. Some houses will be broken. You should come humbly to me in prayer, and so that I will deliver you. Roar. Be courageous. Make your faith strong. Pray for your country. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.